Good morning, traders. Gates W. Adams here with GACTradingPro.com. Let's go ahead and pop up the disclosure here right quick. It is Monday, February 20th, 2023, President's Day. So we've got a short trading day as a whole, longer than I would normally go, but it's markets close at 1 o'clock Eastern. Anyway, we're talking about trading. Trading does involve risk. Please make sure you know what you're doing before you do it. All right, so let's jump back here. I have obviously been having a little fun with the green screen and playing around with stuff, but seemingly I'm facing the wrong direction. I know there's a way around it. I'll fix it. I'll figure it out, but I should be switched and facing the other way, so we'll see what happens there. All right, so let's do a couple of things here. Okay, so clearly running a little bit late this morning. I woke up 2 hours late. Not the best way to start your Monday, but so be it. I'm not going to beat myself up. I'm just going to push through and rearrange my schedule a little bit. Seems to be the reasonable course of action. I will say, and bear with me if this is a ridiculous comment, because as I have clearly stated, I don't have a lot of the experience that a lot of guys that have streams have. But NQ seems to be moving super friggin' slow. Don't hate it. I mean, it's just weird. Well, I kind of hate it. I mean, it's too slow. This is ridiculous. So I'm kind of hoping it picks back up. We're going to come back to that here in just a second. First of all, if you've been following me in my backstage where I kind of do my recaps of everything, I owe you guys a recap for Friday. Friday ended up being, I was up $65. What is that? 13 ticks. Took a loss, took a win. Big thing was, and again, stuff that I should know long before going into it, but at the beginning of the day, I guess someone made the comment somewhere that it was options expiration day. The market was a little erratic, and quite frankly, maybe it was a little erratic. I don't know. It didn't necessarily strike me as terribly erratic, but between that, just a couple of things that were going on in my little world, I was a little off focus, and quite frankly, trading off focus is not good. I figured I'd take the $65 win, shut it down early, and move forward. So that was Friday, and so I still owe you all a recap for Friday because I haven't done it yet. Being off focus was basically a big part of having just a ton of stuff on my plate, and so I shut down early with every intention of going ahead and doing the recap, which would have been short anyway. And then Friday took off, and it was long gone, and Saturday was crazy busy, and then yesterday was crazy busy. So I do owe y'all a recap for Friday. I will get that done today and get that posted along with today's recap with whatever happens. So my apologies for that. Sometimes things get a little shifted around, and I guess that's ultimately what's going on here. Let me see here. This probably, yeah. Just cracking myself up here over just a bunch of nonsense. Okay, so let's see what we got going on. Is that the back? Yeah, that's the back of it. So my lighting is pretty crappy back here, so I'll have to fix that. Anyway, wait a minute. There, how about that? Okay. Gotta love when you start the day off with just a bunch of silly mechanics and nonsense. So anyway, let me get into my stream. Okay. Gotta love when you start. Anyway, let me get into my stream. All right, now I'm muted and I'm good to go. Okay, so anyway, that was just that's recap. If the market moves like this much longer, I'm out. This is I don't know. This just, I've never seen NQ move this slow. And quite frankly, the stress and strain of being in a trade that was moving that slow towards execution is not appealing to me whatsoever. So, let's see if it decides to actually move a little bit. I mean, the volume doesn't seem out of control low, but I don't know. We'll see. Oh, man. Well, it looks like it wants to move somewhere. I mean, seriously. Let's see. Open was about here-ish, somewhere in here. And we are 20 minutes in, so that's 20 minutes worth of activity. We ain't moving. All right, and I bet you. Let's see here. Nah, it didn't even jump at open. This is. Oh. I'm gonna pause my stream. Did I fail to roll everything over? Hang on. All right. Hang loose, guys. I'll be right back.